Happy Monday, everyone. Come to the chiropractor with me to get adjusted. We are about to leave for a short little trip tomorrow, so I just want to come in and get adjusted before that. I've had some issues with my neck. I do think I have scar tissue on my neck, probably just from an old injury, and then, just bad posture these days. We do not have very good posture, so definitely something to work on, but it's just really good. I don't know if I always feel a huge difference after I go to the chiropractor, but just good to know that you're getting everything put back in place the way it should be. And so got that done today. And then I also did a little shopping this afternoon. So it's been a good day. I hope everyone else is also having a great day.